Hey you guys, my name is Liz and I'm the resident nail tech here at Makartt. Today I'm going to show you guys how I remove my acrylic nails using the Stephanie drill. So if you guys would like to see how I do that, stay tuned.
The Stephanie drill is one of my favorite drills to use when removing acrylic. It goes up to 35,000 RPM, which makes the removal process an absolute breeze. It also has a clip on the back and is rechargeable, so when I'm teaching classes, I can walk around without having to deal with wires and chargers. I'm also going to be using these tungsten carbide tips from Makartt. It has so many different tips in there, including the safety cuticle bit as well as the typhoon drill bit. First, I'm taking the typhoon drill bit to take off the bulk of my nail. The tungsten carbide drill bit makes even the hardest and thickest acrylic nails super easy to remove. When you're working with tungsten carbide bits, make sure that you are carefully watching how close you are getting to the natural nail. If you get too close to the natural nail, you can always slow down the speed on the nail drill, since the Stephanie has a speed dial that shows you exactly how fast you are going. To take off the free edge of the acrylic nail, you can carve two little holes on either side of the nail and bring them close together. Once you get pretty close, you can then gently twist off the nail and move on to removing the rest of the nail that is still on the nail bed. By the way, in case you are wondering what the metal machine is behind me, this is a nail dust collector. It's basically a suction fan that will collect all the nail dust, and when you are drilling, it's super helpful and keeps both me and my clients happy. I don't have nail dust everywhere on my table, and my client doesn't get nail dust all over their clothes and their personal belongings. Now that I've taken off the bulk of the acrylic nail, I'm using the Makartt nail polish remover kit to soak off the rest. This kit also comes with a dual-ended cuticle pusher that I can use to scrape off excess once it softens up in acetone. The foils in this kit come with cotton pads, which makes it super easy to use. Simply pour some acetone into the cotton pads, gently wrap the foils around the finger with the cotton pads facing the nail, and let it soak for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the acrylic nail starts to soften up, remove the foil and use the scraper to scrape the acrylic off the natural nail. Then use a buffer to lightly buff the surface of the natural nail to remove any excess. And now the most important part. To keep your client's nails happy, apply some soy cuticle oil to the cuticles and gently rub the oil into the cuticles to keep them moisturized and smooth. It helps to keep your nails and cuticles hydrated and ready for the next set.
And that is the completed tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you found this useful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video.